मुझे ऋतिक को कन्विंस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं हुई क्योंकि जब उन्होंने मुझे ये समझाया कि ये जो सिंबल है ये क्रिश एक स्टोरी है. It's not about a superhero, it's not about a mask, it's not about the costume, it is about the way you feel. और मैंने कहा let's immortalize this in a piece of jewelry. He just thought it was a fabulous idea, and that was the most important thing to me. That उसमें वो समझ थी कि yes, this piece of jewelry people can wear, people can afford, and people can wear it and remember that it means something. That was more important.
And when Farah came up to me and she said that, you know what, I'm thinking about this, I was delighted. I was so happy that I feel that I have manifested this. When Farah came to me, I was delighted because finally now I have something to associate with, to remind myself that I can be what I want to be within myself. It is about me. It is about creating my own environment from within. It's more than Krish. It's more than about me. It's more than just Farah. Today we are here, I think, more because it's about all of us. When I do my characters in my films all through these years, I've always tried to search and look for certain values and certain characters, certain traits of that character that I can imbibe into my own self to make myself a stronger person, better person. I used to ask myself, what is this? What is this shift that has happened in my head that's making me unstoppable, that I can go through 80 days of action with a double slip disc in my back and no cartilage in my knees, and I can still do it. What is it? And I realized that it is just that. It's just a mental shift. It's associating with the values of a superhero. A superhero is somebody who contributes to others, who selflessly goes out there and makes an example of himself in terms of courage, in terms of values, in terms of strength. He lends a helping hand. Whatever powers he has, he uses to give to others, to help others. His life is less about himself and more about the people around him who love him. And I think that is the secret to happiness also. So I have tried to remind myself on and on to associate with that value, with those attributes.